let's look at a lesson from Savi Kannada grade 4. The name of this lesson is Veeramate Jijabai. Veeramate means brave or courageous mother. Jijabai. So Jijabai is the mother of Shivaji. So this is a story or a lesson about the brave mother Jijabai. Let's look at the lesson now. ಮಾತಾಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. ಚಿಗುರು ಮೀಸೆಯ ವೀರ ಬಾಲಕ ನಮ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ನುಡಿದನು. ಮಾತಾಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ means to mother, pranama is respects or namaskars. Namrate is polite and nudi is spoke. So a young man whose mustache had just then sprouted, he told to his mother, my respects and namaskars to you. ಹುಸಿನಗೆ ಬೀರುತ್ತಾ ಅವನ ತಾಯಿ ಬಾ ಕಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೋ. So with a smile, the mother also welcomed him and she said, come child, come and sit here. ಆಗಲಿ ತಾಯಿ ಎಂದು ಬಾಲಕ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಂಡನು. So the boy said, okay, all right, and he also sat down. ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿದ್ದ ಕಾರಣವೇನು? So now the boy, the young man, he is asking his mother, what is the reason that you called me? Karana means reason. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಹೇಳು ತಾಯಿ, ಕೇಳು ತಾಯಿ. ಕೇಳು means tell or ask. So he's saying, what should I do? Tell me. ಎಂದನು ಬಾಲಕ. ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವೆಯಾ ಮಗನೇ ಎಂದು ತಾಯಿ ಅಭಿಮಾನದಿಂದ ನುಡಿದಳು. So now the mother is asking, whatever I ask, will you give it to me? With lot of regards, she asks this to him. Agali Mataji, Bhavani Taiya Mele Aane. So the young man, he says, yes, surely I will do. I will give you whatever you ask. This is a promise on Mother Bhavani. Neenu keliddannu koduve endanu maga. I will give you what you ask for. ತಾಯಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಯೋಚಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಕುಮಾರ ಆಡಿದ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಎಂದಳು. So the mother, she is thinking something in her mind and she tells her son again, as promised, as you promised now, you have to give me what I ask for. ಕೇಳು ತಾಯಿ ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನೀಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. So the young man says, no, you ask, definitely I will give it to you. ಎಂದನು ಮಗ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ. He happily told his mother that I'll definitely give what you ask for. ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯ ಕಂದ, ಈಗ ಹೇಳುವೆನು ಕೇಳು. So the mother says, I am most fortunate to have you. Now I will tell you, listen to me. ಕೊಂಡಾನ ದುರ್ಗವು ಮೊಘಲರ ವಶದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So ಕೊಂಡಾನ ದುರ್ಗ means it's a fort. The fort Kondana is under the control of the Mughals. The Mughals have captured that fort. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀನು ಗೆದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಬಹುಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. You have to win it and give it to me as a gift. ಎಂದಳು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಮಗನನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ತಾಯಿ. So she says that you have to get it to me and give it as a gift. She tells that looking at her son very proudly because she is sure that her son will do it. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ ತಾಯಿ ಮಗ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತೇ? So do you know who this mother and son is who had such a conversation? Sambhashane means conversation. What we saw earlier till now is the conversation between the mother and the son. So do you know who these two, mother and son, are who had such a conversation? ಇವರೇ ಭಾರತದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದಿರುವ ವೀರಮಾತೆ ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವಳ ಪುತ್ರ ಮರಾಠ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉನ್ನತಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣನಾದ ಛತ್ರಪತಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿ. So they are the most prominent people who have made a permanent place in the history of India. They are only Mother Jijabai and her son, who is the reason for the Maratha kingdom to become famous, Chhatrapati Shivaji. So the mother and the son pair are Jijabai and Chhatrapati Shivaji. Jijabai ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ ಶಕ 1594ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಖುಜಿ ಜಾಧವರಾವ್ ಅವರ ಮಗಳಾಗಿ ಜನಿಸಿದಳು. So Jijabai, she was born in ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ ಶಕ is AD 1594 and to Lakhuji Jadhavrao. She was the daughter of Lakhuji Jadhavrao. ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ ಶಕ 1633ರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಹಜಿಯನ್ನು ವಿವಾಹವಾದಳು. And in 1603 she got married to a person called as Shahaji. ಶಹಾಜಿಯು ಬಿಜಾಪುರದ ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದನು. So he was working in ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿ which is in ಬಿಜಾಪುರ್. ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ ಶಕ 1627ರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವನೇರಿ ದುರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ದಂಪತಿಗಳ ಮಗನಾಗಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿಯು ಜನಿಸಿದನು. So in 1627 for this couple Shivaji was born as a son in ಶಿವನೇರಿ. ಶಹಾಜಿಯು ಮಗ ಶಿವಾಜಿಯನ್ನು ಗುರುವಾದ ದಾದಾಜಿ ಕೊಂಡದೇವನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದನು. And his father Shahaji sent Shivaji to a teacher called as Dadaji Kondadeva for his education. ಗುರು ದಾದಾಜಿ ಕೊಂಡದೇವನು ಶಿವಾಜಿಗೆ ಕತ್ತಿವರಸೆ, ಕುದುರೆ ಸವಾರಿ ಮುಂತಾದ ಯುದ್ಧ ಕಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿದನು. And the teacher Dadaji Kondadeva taught Shivaji sword fighting, horse riding and a lot of other warfare. ಶಹಜಿ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ತನ್ನಿಂದ ದೂರವಾದಾಗ ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಬಹಳ ನೊಂದುಕೊಂಡಳು. And ಶಹಜಿ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾಗಿ means after his death he died. Okay, unexpectedly he dies and Jijabai feels very sorrow. She is in deep sorrow and feels very sad. ಆದರೂ ಎದೆಗುಂದದೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಬದುಕಲು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದಳು. But still she stayed strong and she lived independently. She started to live independently. ಮಗನನ್ನು ಓರ್ವ ವೀರ ಯೋಧನನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವ ಹೊಂಗನಸಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪುಣೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವನೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೆಲೆಸಿದಳು. So she wanted to bring up her son. She always dreamt of bringing up her son as a brave warrior. So she comes to Pune and stays with her son. Jijabai Chanaksha hennu magalu and she was a very smart and an intelligent woman. ಕೇವಲ ಓರ್ವ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಹಿಳೆಯಂತೆ ಬದುಕಿನ ಆಗು ಹೋಗುಗಳನ್ನು ನೆನೆದು ದುಃಖಿಸುವ ಹೆಣ್ಣಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. She was not like a common woman who got sad and depressed or dejected with the ups and downs of life. ಅಖಂಡ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಘಲರ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಪಣ ತೊಟ್ಟಳು. So in the entire India she wanted to end the rule of Mughals. She vowed that she will end the rule of Mughals. ಭಾರತಾದ್ಯಂತ ಮರಾಠ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ವಿಜಯ ಪತಾಕೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾರಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದಳು. And she decided that the entire India, the Maratha kingdom's flag should fly high. ಪರಕೀಯರ ಗುಲಾಮಗಿರಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಬಂದು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದರು. ಪರಕೀಯರು means foreigners. She did not want to be the slave to foreigners. She wanted to free herself from that and live a independent life. ಶಿವಾಜಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ ಮುಂತಾದ ಪುರಾಣ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. So when Shivaji was still a young boy, every day she used to tell him stories from Mahabharata and Ramayana. ನ್ಯಾಯ ನೀತಿ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಷ್ಣುತೆ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಚಿಕ್ಕಂದಿನಿಂದಲೇ ಮಗನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಳು. So she taught and she instilled lot of characters like righteousness, moral respecting women, overcoming difficulties. Since childhood, she instilled all these good characters in Shivaji. ಶಿವಾಜಿಗೆ ವೀರ ಪುರುಷರ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವ, ಸಾಹಸಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವ ಆದರ್ಶಗಳನ್ನು ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿಂದಲೇ ಬಿತ್ತಿದಳು. And she instilled all these great values of great brave kings and doing brave acts right from his childhood. ಹೀಗೆ ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಮಗನಲ್ಲಿ ಧೈರ್ಯ, ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನ, ಸಾಹಸ, ಸೇವೆ, ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮುಂತಾದ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿಂದಲೇ ತುಂಬಿದಳು. So like this she taught him lot of things like courage, self-respect. Dhairya is courage, swabhimana is self-respect, sahasa to be very daring, seve service to people, and tyaga is sacrifice. So all these values from his childhood itself she taught him. ಅವನನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತನನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಳು. And she also brought him up as a patriot to the country. ಅಖಂಡ ಮರಾಠ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉನ್ನತಿಗೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪವಾದಳು. And she became the path of light for the growth of Maratha kingdom. ಮುಂದೆ ಶಿವಾಜಿಯು ಪ್ರಬಲ ಮೊಘಲ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಟ ಔರಂಗಜೇಬನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಡಿ ಜಯಗಳಿಸಿದನು. And Shivaji fought the famous Mughal king Aurangzeb. He fought against him and he won the battle. ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಮಗನ ವಿಜಯೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಟ್ಟಳು. And ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ was very happy with the success of Shivaji. ರಾಯಗಢದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿಯ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿಷೇಕವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವೈಭವದಿಂದ ನಡೆಯಿತು. And Shivaji's coronation took place in Rayagad in a very grand manner. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಾಮದಾಸರು ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಿವಾಜಿಗೆ ಮುಕುಟಧರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. So Swami Ramdas, he came and he did the coronation. He placed the crown on Shivaji's head. ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿಯು ಬಾಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ತಾನು ಕಂಡ ಕನಸು ನನಸಾಯಿತು ಎಂದು ಖುಷಿಪಟ್ಟು ಶಿವಾಜಿಯನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಿದಳು. And Jijabai, she was very happy because that was the dream she had when Shivaji was still young. She wanted to defeat the Mughals and get rid of them and make the flag of Maratha kingdom fly high in the sky. So that dream of hers became true, and because of that she blesses Shivaji. Andu avalu saha rajamate enisikondalu. Since Shivaji was coronated as the king, she also became the royal mother. ಈ ಸಂತೋಷದ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅವಕಾಶ ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಲಭಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. But she was not fortunate enough to experience this happiness for long. ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಗದ್ದಿಗೆಯನ್ನೇರಿದ ಕೆಲವೇ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದಳು. So within a few days of Shivaji's coronation, she became bedridden. ಸುಮಾರು 80 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಜೀವಿಸಿದ್ದ ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಮರಾಠರ ಅಭ್ಯುದಯ ಕಂಡಳು. And she lived for around 80 years, but she saw the glory of the Maratha kingdom. ಅನಂತರ ರಾಯಗಢದ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ ಪಾಚಾಡ ಎಂಬ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತಶಕ 1674ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಧನ ಹೊಂದಿದಳು. And in 1674 she died in a village called as Pachada, which is near Rayagada. So this is Veeramate Jijabai.